The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari haka kharwai tarek Nailar R Jarpun Rio ula penia ya ka jelang bishar benia ya ka jingyat saprang ka Special Intensive Revision jongki Electoral Roll hadin bala penmi ya ka Draft Electoral Roll haka santarek Nailar R Jarpun Rio. Dr. Tiwari ula pelong ya ka jelang bishar kam lingba ka video conference bat ki Deputy Commissioner kam District Election Officers ki Subdivisional Officers ki Electoral Registration Officers bat ki Assistant Electoral Registration Officer ban bishar ya ka jingpen bet thama ya ki Electoral Roll. Habakaran sekilar patai kubur ulai tu ba ula pelong ru ya ka jelang bat ki nong mikmat jong ki sengsan partai bat pentebru baka claims and objection kadang pli hadu ka sautrik unailur arja punrio kat ba ka jingpa notice bat ka jing bishar ka jing penbet ya ki jingkam bat ka jing persya kandang beteng hadu ka laiterik urisau arja punrio. Ula pente baka electoral roll ka papura la bosngi ban penmi pajba ha ka nyauterik urisau arja punrio. Ka jelang kala bisharu ya ka jingpen mi ya ki thop karteng katkum ki polling booth jong ki nong thap vote ki bakantop ya ki balaja ki balakanria jakasa ki balakladno bat ki duplicate ki baki karteng jong ki kemsyam lakantop ha ka draft electoral roll kini ki thop karteng labu ha ka website jong CEO bat ki website jong ki DEO bapher khanang ban aila di ki pajba ban pen bat pensisha ya ki daw ki bala ban long ba omsyam lakantop ya ki karteng jong ki ka jing bishar benia ka kantobru ya ka jing pej benia ya ki nongte vote ki badon kam bansha bishar hak notice bad hearing face haba khenlang ya ka Meghalaya barokawai ki don arlak arpu arajan news pa prabun riungot ki nongte vote balapan ham hak kerdan no mapping kat ba saulak arpu prahajar pras pa asan pu prangot ki nongte vote ki don ki jing bakla hak jing penia so jongki bad ki record jongka SIR arjar san Barok kidan riu laksan pu hijan riu spa sau pusangot kinok thap vote bala itu ban bishar benya bat ban shimi ki senjam ki babot katkum ki rukom trekam ki balabo.
After publication of draft roll on the 5th August 2026, the phase for receiving of claim and objection is ongoing from 5th August till 4th September 2026. And disposal of claim and objection will be scheduled till 5th August, from 5th August till 3rd of October 2026. In process today, we have a virtual review meeting with all the district election officers and EROs, AEROs, SDO elections to review the progress of ongoing SIR process, and similarly we have a meeting with the recognized national and state political party, and we have briefed them the progress of ongoing SIR and period of filing of claim and objections, as well as notice and hearing process and other activities being undertaken to ensure transparency and participation in the revision exercise. During this virtual review meeting with the field officials, they have informed that draft electoral roll was shared with the recognized political parties as well as with the traditional heads, village darbars, BLOs, Nokmas, etc. So we have reviewed the display and hosting of the booth-wise list of the ASDDs electors whose name has not been included in the draft electoral roll. Such lists have been made available on the CEO's website as well as the respective district website to enable citizens to verify probable reasons for non-inclusion, and the list is being physically also made available to the BLOs at the ground and as well as to the local heads also. We provided. So one more aspect in respect to the notice phase. Across the state, as we informed earlier, also total out of 21.69 lakh electors as reflected in the draft roll, total 2,22,786 electors have been identified under no mapping category. Means neither their name or their parent or grandparent, which is through progeny, been mapped with the SIR 2005 electoral roll. And altogether 4,28,858 electors have been identified apart from them, with the discrepancies in their mapping with the previous SIR 2005 records. Thus, a total of 6,51,644 electors have been identified, which is almost 30% of the draft roll for scrutiny and appropriate action in accordance with the prescribed procedure. So these people are supposed to get the notices and they have to come for the hearing process. So discrepancies identified through ECI net, these includes mismatch between electors' name and name available in their name available in the previous SIR 2005 records. Mismatch in their parents' name given in the 2005. Age difference between elector and their parent being less than 15 year or more than 50 year of age. Age gap of less than 9 months between siblings linked to the same parents. More than 6 children being linked to the same parent, and an average difference of less than 40 years between elector and grandparent. So we have directed all the EROs and AERO to carefully scrutinize such cases and ensure that notices are generated, printed and served in a timely manner. They have to give the receiving copy of the notices to all the electors. District were also instructed to prepare systematic hearing schedule and regularly update the prescribed monitoring sheet so that the progress of notice service hearing can be analyzed and monitored by the Office of CEO. Upon receipt of the notice, the elector concerned may appear before the ERO or AERO and furnish the necessary supporting document prescribed for the purpose of hearing. So during the claim objection received after draft publication, as per the latest position placed before the meeting, 2,449 applications have been received in Form 6, Form 7, Form 8, comprising 1,121 applications in Form 6, 8 applications in Form 7 and 253 applications in Form 8 for shifting and 1,067 other applications in Form 8 for the correction, etc. Electors who are unable to submit their filled in enumeration form during the enumeration phase may apply for inclusion by filing Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form during the period for filing of claim and objection. Form 7 is used for objection to proposed inclusion or seeking deletion of an existing entry, while Form 8 provides for shifting of residence, correction of particulars and other prescribed changes. The EROs has been directed to ensure timely scrutiny and disposal of all applications received during the period for filing of claim and objections, and necessary training etc. to all the field officials are also being scheduled and being provided, especially to the BLOs for this phase. So they already been sensitized about their do's, don'ts, role, responsibilities and how to conduct all this entire claim and objection phase exercise with the satisfaction and without having any error in the entire process. We have the separate meeting with the political parties representatives and the status of draft electoral roll, no mapping cases, mapping discrepancies, notice and hearing process and claim objection etc. After the draft publication is also been briefed to the political parties, and Simultaneously, they requested to continue their active participation through their booth level agents, BLAs, and assist eligible elector in verifying their name and particular in the draft electoral roll and in filing appropriate claims and or objection within the prescribed period. So, the importance of the regular engagement with the political party throughout the SIR process, we already briefed, and the weekly meetings have been conducted with the political parties at the ERO, District Election Officer and CO level on the regular basis, and any suggestions and their observations, etc., to strengthen the transparency and to facilitate any issue with the electors. We have already noted, and all those things after discussion, the needful arrangement also being ensured. So they are actively participated during this enumeration phase, and including appointment of the 1,733 BLAs across the state. That is a big achievement, because once we started this process, we are not having any authorized BLA appointed by any political party. So, to ensure no ineligible voter to be included and no eligible person to be deprived from their name in the electoral roll. So without following due process, all the EROs and EROs can't do any deletion. So they have to issue notice, conduct the necessary inquiry, and provide a fair and reasonable opportunity to the person concerned and pass a reasoned speaking order as per law before taking any action in respect to their claims and objections. So in case any person is aggrieved by the decision of ERO or AERO, he or she may prefer an appeal to the district magistrate within 15 days of the ERO's order under section 24A of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Read with Rule 27 of the Registration of Electors Rule 1960. If the appellant remains unsatisfied, a second appeal may be preferred before the Chief Electoral Officer of State within 30 days of the District Magistrate's order as per Section 24B of the Representation of People Act 1950, read with Rule 27 of the Registration of Elector Rule 1960. The Election Commission of India reiterates its firm commitment to a transparent, participative and inclusive revision process, ensuring that no eligible citizen is left out while no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll. So we appeal to all the eligible electors on behalf of Election Commission of India to check their names and particulars in the draft electoral roll and not wait until the last date to file claim and objection. The draft electoral roll may be inspected through the concerned ERO, AERO, BLO, and through the online facilities made available by the Election Commission of India, and this list is also been given wide publicity, and through village darbars also we have provided those lists so they can also be consulted. So CEO office also sought the continued cooperation of the district election machinery, political parties and their booth level agents, traditional institutions, civil society organization, and more than that, the media, the citizens, all the people and stakeholders during the important phase of SIR 2026, which is the claim and objections, with the objective to ensure that no eligible citizen is left out and no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll, to make this one error-free and healthy, who are not been mapped with the previous SIR electoral roll.
But
so their name is already there. They have to come with, they will receive notice, they have to come with one of the documents as prescribed, so for their verification. A person who are identified with the discrepancies, those are 4,28,858. So all these electors also will receive the notice, and as we discussed in the different categories, the age difference between elector and parent is less than 15 years or more than 50 years, and age gap between two siblings with same parent is less than 9 months, and between elector and parent their grandparent if it is less than 40 years, or the parents are having, same parent having more than 6 children, or such category people are also being identified through the ECI net process, and their verification will also be conducted.
This four.
All are, it is the 2,22,000 are in the no map category,
So
and
it is
in the remaining other people, so it is 428 is the separate count.
So total it is going to
6,51,644 people will receive the notices and for the verification process and here.
Iperti yang tak ke Iwan, kuwi ke perom kuah kanai pi.
Ivan, bạch khẩn đàm quạ lại có mức hẳn. Tạm thân nè và đàm này, hàm bần bột ở yang đi lọc phá.
Bon sen kibrum, juk kli pagi yang Tăng ki khmat phom china, yi ya payo dai.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu gà gram mò tọt bún gà gram tem etiar đi pi. Có con đây nè.
Dạ khi biểu ngài nên mà. Em khi mà vào tâm anh em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kéo vào cậu.
Em ini pedih yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngaku ai ama lai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sempol desain gua ar dah hikai ke desain mana je dia kan ga sempol desain.
Gini ke cek tu ram sokar mah.
Kamu dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.